Welcome to the Great Healthy Choice Quiz.
Ready, Hena? Ready.
First question. Steamed broccoli or candy?
Steamed broccoli. Candy is too sugary.
Correct. Fresh mango or mango ice cream?
Fresh mango. Fresh always wins.
Correct. Soda or boiled lentils?
Boiled lentils.
Protein power. Excellent. Plain yogurt or sugary milkshake?
Plain yogurt. Healthy tummy, happy tummy.
Correct. Fresh apple or apple tart?
Fresh apple.
Correct. Fried chips or fruit salad?
Fruit salad.
Smart choice. Coconut water or cola drink?
Coconut water. Hydration heroes?
Correct. Cheesy fries or grilled vegetables?
Grilled vegetables.
Correct. Fresh strawberries or strawberry candy?
Fresh strawberries.
Correct. Boiled chickpeas or chocolate bar?
Boiled chickpeas.
Correct. Cream pastry or whole wheat flatbread?
Whole wheat flatbread.
Correct. Fresh orange juice or orange candies?
Fresh orange juice.
Correct. Caramel popcorn or almonds?
Almonds.
Correct. Steamed idli or sugary donut?
Steamed idli.
Correct. Potato fries or fresh cucumber?
Fresh cucumber.
Correct. Dried nuts or gummy candy?
Dried nuts.
Correct. Fresh pineapple or pizza?
Fresh pineapple.
Correct. Spicy instant noodles or boiled pulses?
Boiled pulses.
Correct. Water or fizzy soda?
Water.
Correct. Jelly or fresh guava?
Fresh guava.
Correct. Boiled egg or pancakes?
Boiled egg.
Milk or ice cream?
Milk.
Correct. Muffin or smoothie?
Smoothie.
Correct. Bread and jam or sandwich?
Sandwich.
Correct. Fresh watermelon or cookies?
Fresh watermelon.
Correct. Fruit bowl or bowl of candies?
Fruit bowl.
Correct. Sugary cake or paneer?
Fresh paneer.
Correct. Leafy vegetables or colorful macarons?
Leafy vegetables.
Correct. Fried corn chips or boiled corn.
Boiled corn.
Correct. Fresh pomegranate or packaged pomegranate juice.
Fresh pomegranate.
Correct. Walnuts or chocolate fudge.
Walnuts.
Correct. Waffle or fresh papaya.
Fresh papaya.
Correct. Chocolate syrup or vegetable soup.
Vegetable soup.
Correct. Baked sweet potato or French fries.
Baked sweet potato.
Correct. Cherry jam or fresh cherries.
Fresh cherries.
Correct. Oats or sugary cereal.
Oats.
Correct. Packaged snacks or boiled vegetables.
Boiled vegetables.
Correct. Buttermilk or fizzy cola.
Buttermilk.
Correct. Fresh pear or pie.
Fresh pear.
Correct. Chocolate sprinkles or chia seeds.
Chia seeds.
Correct. Tomato soup or tomato ketchup with fries.
Tomato soup.
Correct. Millets or instant noodles.
Millets.
Correct. Cupcakes or fresh peach.
Fresh peach.
Correct. Steamed asparagus or deep-fried nuggets.
Steamed asparagus.
Correct. Fresh carrot juice or energy drink.
Fresh carrot juice.
Correct. Mixed nuts or chocolate-coated nuts.
Mixed nuts.
Correct. Barley or white bread with butter.
Barley.
Correct. Burger or fresh berries.
Fresh berries.
Correct. Natural nut butter or chocolate spread.
Natural nut butter.
Correct. Home-cooked food or fast food.
Home-cooked food.
Correct. Healthy food keeps us strong.
Fresh choices help us grow. Less sugar, more power. Choose fresh. Choose happy. Choose fresh. Stay strong. Live long.